Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to get commands in Aternos on Minecraft. So let's get started. First, go to Aternos official website. Then log in to your Aternos server and navigate to your server dashboard. As you can see, by default you don't have command in Aternos server. To get commands to official website, click on console in the sidebar menu to access the server console. From here, just type op space then the person name want to assign as operator, then press enter. As you can see, I have access to get commands. And there we have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.